How to download Adobe InDesign for free on your PC or laptop. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn that how can you download Adobe InDesign for free on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open any browser on your system. So right now I'm opening the Chrome browser. Okay, so after here in the search field you'll have to type for adobe.com. Okay, so after that you'll have to hit the enter. All right, so now on this interface, you'll have to click on this View All App option. So simply click on it. All right, so now from here, you'll have to scroll down and find the InDesign app from here. So it is the here. So for the free trial, you'll have to click on this free trial option. So simply click on it. And now from this section, you'll got three options here. So individual, business, and student and teacher. So for the max day free trial, you'll have to go with the option business. And now on the business sections, as you can see, I can get the 14 days free trial and then I will have to pay some dollars for the license. So you'll have to go with that options, and from here, you'll have to choose the payment method of your account. So you can pay annually or monthly. So choose anyone from here. And after that, you'll have to click on this continue. All right, so from here, you have to start the payment procedure to go ahead. So from here, you can add your credit card or debit card credentials for the payment method. So after you done from here, you will be able to enjoy the Adobe InDesign for free till 14 days, and then you have to pay for that. So this is the method to download Adobe InDesign for free on PC. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.